everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make carrot shirishiri. It's a local cuisine of Okinawa. Kids can eat a bunch of carrots in this way. It's pretty addictive, delicious dish. You must try. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Peel and diagonally slice the carrots, then cut into about 2-inch long thin strips. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Stir-fry carrot strips until tender. Drain 2 small canned tuna and add them in. 1 big canned tuna is okay, the amount doesn't have to be exact. And tuna in oil, tuna in water, whichever is okay. Now add the seasonings and cook until coated. Add 2 eggs and mix until nicely coated and cooked. Mix in toasted white sesame seeds to finish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Ninjinとツナを食べたらめちゃくちゃ体にいいです。スパゲッティみたい。
スパゲッティみたいだね。そうだね。
ゲストパパ、お手ね。バイバイ。口で。食べて、食べて、食べて。
止めたらダメ。
なんで？食べて食べてだってさ、ゴーちゃんいるでしょ。そういうことは時計やの。そういうこと。
早い。正解。正解。正解。すごい。正解。すごいね。